Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the big surprises coming to you in the year 2024. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. But if you're looking for a reading personalized to your current situation, I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account, and you'll be able to choose from the hundreds of readers who are online right now. These readers each have unique specialties designed to provide a deeper understanding of your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your needs, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can have a reading in an instant whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you don't have to wait for a schedule. Keen has been my go-to psychic app whenever I need some clarity or confirmation, especially in making decisions. My favorite psychic from Keen has always been very helpful, and her insights always fit my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 10 minutes for only $1.99. And that's already a great deal to start. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to save big on your first reading. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is the cheapest psychic reading you could ever have online. Imagine it's only $1.99 or 110 pesos, and that's already a 10-minute private reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Aries, let's see what are the big surprises coming to you ngayong 2024. Ayan, excited na ba kayo? What are your hopes and wishes for 2024? I-comment nyo dyan. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Ayan. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook page, TikTok, lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And check nyo na rin yung aking Shopee. Link on the description. Okay, so let's see, ano yung mga big surprises for you, Aries. You have organization. You have wisdom. Glamour. Wow. Okay. So, ngayong 2024, meron kang mga i-organize sa buhay mo or maaring meron ka ring leadership role, no? Na i-assume ngayong 2024 sa career mo, sa business mo. There's so much wisdom here. So, I think meron kang pag-aaralan or patuloy yung pagre-research mo doon sa mga bagay na very much interested ka. And also, you will focus din sa iyong sarili, no? The way you look or yung iyong pananamit. Ayan, aayusin mo rin yan. Maaring isa yan sa mga project mo. Yung Oplan Balik Alindog. Or you really want to improve your physical appearance, there's nothing wrong with that, no? The more na inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo, the more na nakaka-attract ka ng mga good things in life. Okay? So, let's see. Ano pa yung mga... diba? May poor health dito. Kailangan mo talagang ayusin ang iyong sarili or maaring ngayong 2024 magfo-focus ka rin sa iyong kalusugan. Baka kasi madalas kang magkaroon ng headache. So, pag nakakaramdam ka na niyan ng headache, madalas, pa-check mo na. Okay? Kasi kailangan healthy. Ooh. You will also set some boundaries. You will be cutting cords with some people na alam mong hindi na ka-level ng energies mo. Lalo na kung may mga taong nag-take advantage sa'yo. You are cutting off connection sa kanila. And then, you will also spend time with your friends na kung saan sila talaga yung, yung ka-vibes mo. Pwedeng meron kang mga bagong makikilalang friends ngayong 2024. Yes. And then, meron din ditong eclipse. So, this is transformation. Meron ditong marireveal rin sa'yo. Maaring marireveal sa'yo kung sino yung mga totoong supporters mo, mga nagmamahal talaga sa'yo. And this will transform your perspective in life. Na maaring kailangan din, no? Hindi tayo laging mag-expect sa ibang tao. Kasi minsan nadi-disappoint tayo dyan. So with wisdom here, I think, mas lalo kang magmamature, no? In so many levels, especially emotionally and mentally. Okay, yes, because you are going within, you are examining yourself. Meron ditong self-reflection, Aries. So, mas lalo kang kukonect sa iyong sarili on a deeper level. O, yung iba sa inyo, maaring susubok kayo ng mga ibang mga activities, no? Outside of your comfort zone. Nakasama mo yung mga kaibigan mo, pwedeng magta-try ka literal ng scuba diving, pupunta ka sa Siargao. Siargao ba? O sa Palawan, no? Oo. O, ayan, Three of Cups. Yes, you will be spending more time with friends. Meron kang mga celebration dito, may achievement. So, some of you pwedeng related to sa yung career, itong mga achievements na matatanggap mo ngayong 2024. Let's see kung anong achievements to. Mga isi-celebrate nyo. Sa work, sa trabaho, and sa health. Okay, so kung nagkaroon kayo ng kung magkakaroon man kayo ng mga challenges sa inyong kalusugan ngayong 2024, mapagtatagumpayan nyo yan. Lalo na kung aagapan nyo agad. Oo. And 6th house is also about pets. So, iba sa inyo, magkakaroon kayo ng bagong pet. Or, yung iba, mga first timer na magkakaroon ng alagang hayop. Alagang pusa, aso. Iba, alagang aso. Or bird. Tapos may pusa rin dito, oh. You have the Strength card. Wow. So, this is your confidence, no, sa iyong sarili. You know how to handle any challenges. O, diba? Ito na talaga yung, malalagpasan mo yung mga obstacles mo. Yung mga, kasi minsan kapag meron tayong mga kina-cut off na tao sa buhay natin, may reason, 'di ba? Oo, pwedeng meron silang nagawang mali or may kasalanan. So, mapagtatagumpayan mo 'yan. You also have the 5 of Wands. Ayan. So, pwede ring merong competition na sasalihan ka ngayong 2024. This can be competition sa trabaho, anything na kumbaga you will be competing with other people dahil sa kanilang galing, sa kanilang talento. Wow, meron talagang transformation sa inyo, Aries. There is a new door opening up for you. So, merong nag-close, meron ding mag-open. So, definitely new experiences ito na parating sa inyo ngayong 2024. Very exciting yan for you. Transformation. So, tingnan natin saan tong transformation na ito. Saan? Wow, 10th house sa inyong career. So, merong change of career, maaring trabaho, business din ito, no, yung 10th house. This is also about your reputation, how other people see you. So, maaring babaguhin mo rin yung pagtingin sa'yo ng ibang tao, no? Ito ay mas up level or level up na transformation. Wow, napakaganda naman. Okay, so tingnan natin yung final message for you. Okay, tingnan natin final message for Aries. You are the truth seeker, awakening, actualizing, transcending. How can you invite more grace to guide you? Yes, you are a truth seeker. So parang may hahanapin ka na katotohanan about yourself ngayong 2024 na parang I think this is part of you na reinventing yourself like a brand new you. Okay? So, I think, yung iba sa inyo kung hindi kayo masyadong mahilig mag-ayos-ayos, ngayong 2024, isa rin yan sa magiging surprise nyo sa sarili nyo na mas magiging interested kayo sa pag-aayos ng inyong mga sarili. Like yung physical ninyo. Hindi lang physical, emotional and mental din. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.